Hi everyone, welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff with Snert. Got myself another little treat here, and I'm not telling you what it is yet. You've probably read it on by reading the label of the video, but I genuinely have not opened this yet. So this is a first opening of the box with my Hunter's Swiss Army knife. So as you can see in there, we have the Kettle. Can you read that from there? Yeah, the Kettle Outdoor Life Enjoyed Ultimate Scout Kit. Boil water, cook fast, survive. It has the pot support, oboe stove, cook set, plate set, kettle and tool bag, and a cup set. So everything that you want in there. Let's get this out of the box and have a look at it. A number of items in boxes that I've been wanting to use. But I've not got around to them because I've not been doing any videos recently. So the most reliable, ultra fast camping kettle kit for the outdoors, now with a whistle, replaces the orange stopper. So I'm looking forward to using this really, because you can do the cooking, all sorts of stuff with it, and boil water. And what I want to do is, I've got a dozen different ways probably of doing water. I've got a rocket stove from Petromax. I've got some little camping stoves. I've got the Trangia. I've got Trangia gas converter. So what I was going to do at some point is do a little bit of a test. Put half a litre of water into a small kettle, and basically test them all out and just roughly see how long it takes to boil half a litre of water. Of course, with the rocket stove and the Kettle, you've got to get the fire going in it in the first place. But that's part of the fun. That's we like playing with fire. So let's open it up. See what's inside. Let's have a look inside the box. I don't think we're using this again. The box. Not sure what that is. Part of the. We'll probably never get it back in the box anyway. Just cardboard packaging. Bag and instructions and the safety information. The actual Kettle itself. There we are, very nice. Stainless steel. I thought we'd go for the tougher, harder wearing one, I think, than the aluminium ones. I'm not worried about carrying weight, because I won't be sort of carrying this. I'll be going with me in the van, so not too bothered about the weight. Something else inside here in the box. Looks like I have to get the knife out again. Cut through all this tape. What we've got here. You can buy this in loads of different configurations. You can buy the Kettle on its own with the base part, so you can get the fire going and just boil water in it. But for the difference in price, you can get the Ultimate Scout Kit with all the other extras. So I thought, why not? This is the base bit, I think, where you put the actual, light the fire in here, and then you stand that on top of there, and the fire actually roars up through the middle, a little bit like what they used to call them, volcano stoves, rocket stoves, and it's like double skinned, so the water sits inside the jacket and gets heated up from below and all the way around, coming up through the middle. It's quite an efficient way of warming up water, and you can use, if you're outdoors, sticks, pine cones, anything you can find that's dry. If you can't find stuff that's dry, you just end up with a lot of smoke. So that's all these bits out. We'll have a look here. This looks like a couple of cups. That's the smaller cup. The Kelly Kettle. 350mm, 12 fluid ounces stainless steel. And this one must be slightly bigger because it fits inside it. That's 500ml, 17 fluid ounces stainless steel. Second cup. I assume that's some sort of pot that you can put on the top to warm your soup or your beans up or whatever. There must be, in this other section, two plates. Well packaged. It feels good. Some of these things that you get, stainless steel, you can feel them flexing in your hands. You know what I mean? They're made of thin stuff, but these are real. They're real rigid and strong. Outdoor life enjoyed. Kelly Kettle 2 stainless steel plates. And there's the whistle, the green whistle. This bit in this end here must be the handle to grab hold of the pot. That will sit over the end of there. And this must be a stand. All assembled together. You can see all the bits together. I'll just put this together. Bear with me while I open it up. Everything is totally individually packaged. So there's the handle. I assume that goes over the side of the pot. You can lift that up. And probably over the side of this, so you can use that as a small frying pan. Won't get a great deal in that, but never mind, a couple of eggs. And what else is in here? You must be good at wrapping Christmas presents up, these people from Kelly Kettle, because everything is very well wrapped. Packaged up. Each individual item, individually bagged, individually taped up. Compliment you on your wrapping. You can come round next Christmas, anybody from Kelly Kettle who bags these things up. You're welcome to do all my Christmas presents. So I assume that those two pieces together, where that slot is in the middle and on there, fit together like so. And you can make a stand. And there's still something else inside this cardboard bit. That's like a little griddle. Not where that fits. Oh, top of there probably. So excellent. That's the Kelly Kettle Ultimate Scout kit. So I think it is the 1.2 litre version I've bought. They do it in different sizes. The Kettle itself, and the sizes are all based on the water capacity of this. So we'll get this fired up sometime outdoors, and we will boil some water on it and do some other stuff with it. Right, I thought I'd finish off actually with the Kettle Ultimate Scout Kit. Is just give you some of the specs of this one in particular. Total weight 2.11 kilos, which is 4.65 pounds. The Scout Camp Kettle boils 1.2 litres or 41 fluid ounces of water within minutes, even in the most extreme weather conditions. Use whatever natural fuel you can find lying around: sticks, dry grass, heather, birch bark, pine cones, dry animal dung. That should smell well. That's when that's boiling. Anyway, so that's its height. It's 26 centimeters, diameter 18.5, and it weighs a kilo. The oboe stove turns the kettle fire base into a highly effective wood-fired camp stove. Works in all weather conditions. Place the oboe stove into the fire base. With the whole of the oboe facing away from the wind. So I assume that's the hole that they're referring to. And you can see that on there, the hole out away for the wind. That will fit in there. Facing away from the wind. Add fuel via the hole in the side of the oboe and or the air hole in the fire base. Any size pot can be used with the oboe stove. The cook set 0.85 of a litre, 29 fluid ounce pot with lid. So you can use that pot with that lid. Suitable for noodles, rice, oatmeal, eggs, and rehydrating food. Dishwasher safe. Pot support, which is this bit we've looked at before. Slot the two pieces together and drop into the chimney of the kettle. So I see that fitting now. So like that. You can see that properly. The pot support just drops on the top there in the chimney of the kettle, and then you could put your pan on top. Flat packs for easy transport. The cup set, we mentioned those before, 350 and a 500ml. 2 plates, 197mm wide, and it all fits into the travel bag. Providing you're good at putting puzzles and getting stuff away in the right order. So fortunately I've seen a picture of it somewhere where it shows you how to get it all back in, packed up. So have fun with it. Cheers, see you soon. Hope you've enjoyed watching that quick unboxing there of the Kettle. Enjoy the great outdoors. I shall be enjoying it myself later this month. Thanks for watching. If you like, enjoy the videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.